welcome back to my channel. I am Noemi, aka Mimi. Welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm coming to you guys with this look. I was feeling very purplish today. Yes ma'am. Look at the lips, it's purple, the highlight purple, and purple eyeshadow. So I decided to do something very different. I added this pop of color on my lid and I'm absolutely loving it. I am loving this Magic palette by Juvia's Place. The eyeshadows are very high quality. They're so pigmented, and I just keep using it every time I, do my makeup or plan on doing an eyeshadow tutorial. I gravitate towards that palette, so I am just loving that palette. So far, so good. I hope you ladies try it out. Give it a try. If you never tried the Juvia's Place palette, eyeshadow palettes, they are really good. And I also tried the what is it called? And I also tried the blush palette, which was really good. It's my second time using it, and I use it today to contour, and I'm just loving the quality of these products. So I hope you ladies try this look out. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys want to see on my channel. Please let me know what ideas you have for me so that I could try and kind of step out of my box a little bit, So yes, I thank you ladies I thank you guys for tuning in to another tutorial. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
Hey everyone, so today I decided to do a voiceover, and I'm starting here because I already did my foundation and everything off camera just to save some time. I practically use the same thing that I always use. But right here you see me using the Revolution translucent powder. I really like this setting powder. I got it from Ulta. And now I'm using the Juvia's Place blush palette. But I'm using this color right here as a contour. And I really like the pigment. It's really good. And now I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer and just using that as a base. And now I'm about to use the Magic palette by Juvia's Place. Oh, this palette is just beautiful. So I'm just taking that orange shade and I'm using it as a transition color, and I'm just applying that right there. And now I'm taking the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm using this deep red and applying it on my crease. And I'm blending that out so it could give me a nice gradient effect. And now you guys are going to see me taking this purple shade right here. And I'm just applying that on my outer V, on my corner. I'm just applying that color really nicely and blending at the same time. And now I'm just taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer and I'm just carving out my crease and getting ready for the other two shades that I'm about to apply. Today I just wanted to do something different and have a pop of color, so that's exactly what I went for. I'm taking this nice purple shade. It has a little bit of shimmer, and I'm just applying that in my inner corner, and then you guys will be seeing me apply the second shade in the middle. Now you see me taking this pink eyeshadow. It's mainly like a neon pink, and I'm just applying that on the middle of my eyelids just to give me that pop of color. This is something new. I never tried this before, so I absolutely love how that came out. And now I'm just applying the same colors on my bottom lash just to give it that smoky effect. And I'm taking my ABH lip kit and I'm applying this purple all over my lips. and I'm just applying that with my fingers because I feel like it applies better. And now I'll be taking my NYX lip gloss, and I absolutely love the lip gloss. I'm gonna have to buy more colors because they feel really nice on the lips and they're not sticky at all. So now I'm taking my ABH Glow Kit in the, I think it's called Sweets, and I'm taking this lavender highlight just to, you know, complement the entire look. Why not put something purple, you know? And now I'm taking my Mario Badescu setting spray just to set my face. And this is the end of the tutorial. This is how the look came out. I hope you ladies try it out. I hope that everyone is enjoying my channel so far. Thank you guys. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one.